Mysterious wonders. How birds take care of their family. Ever wondered how birds care for their kin? It's a beautiful tale well worth your time. Birds are nature's best parents. Eggs are their first responsibility. They tirelessly incubate, protecting them from predators. Once hatched, feeding begins. Parents forage dawn to dusk, bringing back nutritious meals to their young ones. Life is tough in the nest. Parents teach survival skills, from flying to foraging, equipping them for the world. Lastly, birds protect. Parents fiercely guard their nest, ensuring their family's safety against all odds. Birds, tiny yet tenacious, truly show us the essence of family care.